Greetings and salutations, Driver here. Let's review the Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer as well as the foam blaster accessory. So I recently purchased these items not too long ago. Reason being is to wash my car and the motorcycles at home. Very specifically the motorcycles. I can take the car to just the local no-touch wand pressure washer, but I think that the pressure is a little too high for the motorcycles. So I recently took my Honda to the car wash and it worked out all right. I just took a couple steps back when blasting with high pressure, but now I have to ride home with a wet seat. So I figured I might as well just give these a try. Let's get into it. With it, I bought the Ryobi foamer detergent. This is a 16-ounce bottle. You can use other soaps with the foam blaster, but I figured I would give the recommended foam a try. Next up is the foam blaster. Shoots thick, clinging foam. Oh yeah, it comes with a sample of the foam. The sample is a 4-ounce bottle, and this is it. Once filled with foam, screw this on. At the top is the valve to turn off the soap/foam. I've not seen a nozzle like this before. Let's unbox the pressure washer. There's a quick start guide. And here's the pressure washer. It's actually not that heavy, but the long power cord is what makes it heavier than it looks. I'll just take the rest of the items out and look at them. That's it. Okay, so we have the high pressure hose and the wand. Then in this bag we have the manual and the warranty information. The soap hose if used in a bucket, the handle, turbo nozzle and screws for the handle. Here's a quick reference guide showing what the nozzles are intended to be used for. The wand twists and locks into place. The handle simply attaches with the 2 included screws. Here's a quick before showing how dirty my motorcycle is. This is after a weekend trip out to the Columbia Glacier ice fields. See a link to that video in the upper right hand corner. As you can see, the bike is plastered with bugs and is quite dirty. The bug guts are quite sticky. Not relying entirely on the foam detergent, I have this insect remover from Motul. It works quite well. I will spray it on first and let it soak in for a bit. I attached a Gardena Quick Connect to work with my hose. This is now just the water in the foam blaster. The instructions said to fill it with water and spray it out once to clean out any other detergents used in the bottle, even when new. I took this opportunity to spray off the insect remover and wet the entire motorcycle. And now the Ryobi foam detergent. It's mixed 50-50 with water. This was more satisfying than I thought it would be. Let the foam soak in for over 2 minutes. There are two stored nozzles on the pressure washer. Yellow is medium pressure and blue is low pressure. Let's try the yellow. Now let's try the blue. Here is after without wiping anything by hand. The majority of the bugs are gone. Some still in the radiator I see, but overall I am quite impressed. The black nozzle is not intended for vehicles, but for cleaning concrete. I believe this is quite a reasonably priced pressure washer, including the 3 nozzles. If your primary intent is just to wash your vehicles, then you'll most likely just use the yellow and the blue nozzles anyways. And you don't necessarily need the foam blaster, as you can use the included hose in a bucket of soapy water. But I personally like the foam blaster just for its simplicity and ease of use. Now, if you enjoy washing your vehicles at home where you can wipe it down and detail it afterwards, then the pressure washer becomes an easy recommendation. Watch for a future video where I'll be using the pressure washer to clean my car. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.